One of the philosophies that I live by is why be normal when you can be the best. So don't limit yourself by other people's beliefs. When I am normal, I am not my happy self. But when I am doing the extraordinary that I want to do, that makes me happy. That makes me what I am. So don't be ashamed of your authenticity. If you're odd, if you are awkward, if you are going above and beyond, if you're very helpful, if you whatever your nature is, embrace your authenticity. Don't try and act like somebody else, and don't try and become somebody else just because you think that's looking good to the society. You be you, and act like what is making you